morning, sir. My name is Sachin Singh Jadhavan, and first of all, I would like to thank you, Byju's, for giving me this opportunity to deliver a lecture on the topic of number system or and the types of numbers. And today I am going to deliver this topic, and basically, I will explain about the number system. So the number system is can be defined as a way to express the numbers. There are various types of numbers such as natural number, whole number, even number, odd number, rational number, and irrational number. And I will explain about the ways to that how can we can find that this is a number of rational number, which type of number, which part of a number, and with the help of examples, I can explain all the parts. First of all, I will have to explain about the natural number. First part is natural number. What is natural number? So basically, the natural number are the number that are the counting numbers that we get from the natures. Example like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And if we talk about the whole number, second part is whole number. What is whole number? Whole number can be defined as all the collection of natural number together with the zeros. That number which is starting from zeros. Like example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And next one is odd number. So odd number, the number which is cannot be divisible by 2. Such number are called odd number. Example like 1, 3, 5. These numbers are cannot be divisible by 2. And fourth one is even number. So definition of even number is can be defined in this way that the number which is divisible by 2. All these numbers that are divisible by 2 are called as even number. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. These are our even numbers. Next, our prime number, and these are the important number. Like prime number are the number which is divisible by itself and only one. Example like 2. 2 is one even prime number. 2, 3, 5, and so on. And after that, I will explain about the rational number and irrational number, and what is the difference between this rational number and irrational number, and how can we determine the number which is when if the number is in the form of decimals. So in this lecture, the rational number. Mathematically, the number which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, and here Q does not belong to 0. These are called the rational numbers like our 2 upon 4, 3 upon 5, and 7 upon 9, and so on. And the irrational number, second is irrational number. The number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, such as under root 2 and root 5 and so on. And one exceptional number is that pi. Here we study about the role of pi. Pi, the number which can be represented in the form of 22 upon 7, but even that it is on not an rational number. This is an irrational number. Why? I will explain about this. And if we talk about the numbers in a decimal point, then we know a concept of terminating and non-terminating number. On the behalf of this, the number are in decimals. The numbers are terminating and non-terminating. terminating and non-terminating. So all terminating numbers are rational numbers. Means terminating means the number after the digit of decimal it can stop, like 0.125 and it will stop. That it is called terminating number. And non-terminating, in non-terminating we have two parts also, like repeating number and non-repeating number. So in part of non-terminating, repeating number are also a rational number. For example, 0.333, these are not non-terminating, again going, but number is repeating. Then it is in the form of rational number. It is a kind of rational number. And in non-terminating and non-repeating are called irrational numbers. These are called irrational numbers. So like example 22/7. If we divide this 1.31441, it is carry on going and non-terminating and non-repeating number. So from these all aspects we can determine any kind of number, that it is a rational number or irrational number, and all these numbers are part of real numbers. Basically numbers have many numbers like complex numbers, and all the father and mother of the numbers are complex number in which our real number and imaginaries are included. And that's all for today, and thank you, sir.